What you talking about now, Cine? I don't know, but you're gonna get some nuggets out of it though. But first, make sure you subscribe to the channel and turn that bell on. There's a new video series dropping every Friday at 12 p.m. Eastern Standard Time with the random jam session whenever I'm in my bag. You do not want to miss out. Also, be sure to check out my books, man. The link's in the description below, right along with my vegan class if you're trying to go plant-based and stay plant-based. I'm telling you, it works. Oh, and lastly, be sure to follow me on Instagram at _just_scene_. The nuggets I don't put over here, I put over there, so you can always get me when you need me. But you ain't really coming for all of that. Peace, love, knowledge, and freedom. I'm out. That plays into the reality, a very stark reality of how this thing is playing out. You know, how easy is it to lose direction and not know which way you're going? Like we tell ourselves all the time, oh, I have to find myself. You're not trying to find yourself. You're trying to, this is what I feel. I'm not going to tell you this is what it is or which one's not. But I don't feel like people are trying to find themselves. They're trying to rediscover that imaginative faculty that they have that can guide them better. Because logic doesn't work. Logic works within reason. You feel what I'm saying? But too much logic is wrong. You have to have an imagination. You have to believe some illogical shit in order to rationalize and to bring the gap. Like that's where the pendulum swings at. It swings between imagination and logic. Your sweet spot is when it hits that bottom point. You feel what I mean? And when it hits that bottom point, that's when you're able to say, oh shit, this is the shit that I imagine and I envision, and this is the reality, and I can make all of this shit happen. You feel what I'm saying? But you can't kill your imagination. You gotta revive that shit, and you can't lose your childlike essence, yo. And I think that as the way times are playing out now, we really need to start. I want to say this. You know, children are the future, right? So therefore, parents are the past, right? If we want to move forward, we have to look forward. You feel what I'm saying? And in this life, a lot of times we spend so much time making our parents proud that we, in essence, let the children down. You feel what I mean? And I'm not shitting on any of the parenting. I'm not shitting on anything like that. But if you look at the younger generation, they have to clean up. They're cleaning up messes. We're cleaning up messes that we didn't make. We inherited these messes that we have to now clean up. And who is the biggest critic of that shit? You feel me? We're gonna get critiqued by the younger generation, and we're definitely gonna get critiqued by the generation. We're gonna get critiqued by the generation after us, and we're definitely gonna get critiqued by the generation before us. But we're more worried about the critique from the generation before us. So we're putting in work to make them happy, to make them feel proud of us. With all due respect to them, fuck them. Like, fuck them. And I don't mean that in a disrespectful way. I mean it in the sense of we can't worry about them anymore. They had their chance to do whatever they were supposed to do with the world. You feel me? They had their chance to light all of the flames they were supposed to light. They had their chance to set the tone for us to elevate. We should not be starting beneath them or being in competition with them. Because that's what it turned into. Oh, when I was this, this happened. When I was this was happening. We're the generation that has to now focus on the younger generation, because now we're the generation who's looking at the elders like, yo, like, what did y'all give us? Like, y'all can't help us out for nothing? I had to pull up by my bootstraps, so I came like this. That's a problem. You want a motherfucker to go through the shit that you went through. That's fucked up. That's why we don't fuck with y'all like that. That's why we don't fuck with y'all like that. But now, that's why at the same time, we have to focus on the future. We have to focus on it. I'm sorry, like, I'm not sorry, but I look at life like this. The way that I feel about the older generation, I refuse to have the younger generation feel that way about me. I can't do it. I can't do it. I ain't gonna say I hate the older generation, because hate is too strong. That's not, that power is not there. But I despise the way that they left the world for us. I do. I really do. And I'm looking at all of the mistakes they keep trying to bring us back into. Oh well, do this. Oh yeah, do this. Well, see, you're losing because you're not doing this. No, I'm losing because I tried your fucking way. Not only that, I tried your way my whole life. So much that it's become habitual. So much that it's become routine. So much that it's become lifestyle. I killed my dreams. I killed my ambitions. I killed everything within myself to be what you wanted me to. And all you do is criticize me because I couldn't do it your way. I couldn't do it your way. Now, I'm not talking about a specific elder at this point. I'm talking about a generation of shit. Like, all they do is talk shit about us. All they do is talk shit about us. Like, we're not, like, you guys aren't trying hard enough. We're trying so hard. We have depression. We have anxiety. We have suicidal thoughts. We have all this shit because of fucking y'all. Trying to make you guys proud. Trying to make you guys see us better than what we are, because we don't even feel that, because we have been putting in so much motherfucking work for nothing, trying to live your route, trying to go down your route. And now we reach 20, 30 years old, you know, and we're like, damn, they way didn't work, but I can't start over.